shoe rack doesn't have to be boring in a way that you have to hide it out of plain sight. In this video, I am building a sleek, almost floating shoe rack from mild steel, and it looks like a designer piece. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm tackling a fun welding project. A while back I thought I wanted to build a shoe rack, but building it out of a blacksmithing type, it kind of tries to look old, but it really doesn't. And if you really succeed, it looks too old really to use. So I wanted to build something more modern. This is what I came up with. For this build, I'm only using 20mm square tubing and 15mm round tube. Along with my, of course, welder, I used my metal miter saw and an angle grinder, along with a few other tools. So let's get started. First, I'm cutting all the steel to size. This step is crucial because accurate cuts will make welding much easier and give a clean, professional look. You need to cut some angles above 45 degrees. You need a miter saw which actually does this. Usually steel miter saws don't do it. I have a video on how to solve this. For these cuts, you need to cut above 45 degrees. Now it's time to start welding. Unfortunately, my welding glass is not working at the moment, so you can only see my back. As you can see, personal protective equipment is important. Always remember to protect yourself. I'm TIG welding this, but you might as well do it MIG welding. Since I want a seamless floating look, I'm grinding down the welds. If you want a more industrial style, you could just leave the beads exposed. So the pieces are all ground up and ready to be attached through. We're going to use round tubing, 3 pieces, to make them look uniform and in an artistic harmony. So let's cut these pieces. I'm using the same material, which is 15mm round tube. After welding both pieces together to build the frame itself, I chose to color it straight away. This is to make it easier. It would be easier to just cover these round tubes and then paint the rest. I'm using gold here for contrast. Next step, I am welding the round tubes, 5 on each level, evenly spaced. And finally, you can see this together with another project. I am painting it with a black lacquer. This is the final product, and it turned out better than I hoped for. Fits perfectly in a modern hallway, and there's plenty of space for shoes. This project was super fun, and the best part, it cost way less than buying a high-end version. Let me know in the comments, would you try making one yourself? Or more importantly for me, how would you color it? For coloring, would you choose another contrast? Personally, I would have gone for maybe a bit of a darker shade in the gold department, but you never really know what you buy in the can. I will not repaint it, it works fine. Would you have done another contrast? Would you have colored it completely different or just in one color? Let me know. If you enjoyed this build, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Stick around for more welding and blacksmithing videos, and I hope to see you again in the future.